gold is doing great. And number one, it's outperforming this year. I mean, think about what the NASDAQ is down this year. Bitcoin is down. And then gold, it may not be up a ton this year. It's up very, very slight amount, but it is certainly positive for the year. And that's even after a pretty dramatic pullback here recently.
Right.
Gold's actually held up beautifully, in fact, hitting that 2020 double top. So even in spite of that, gold is actually performing very, very well. And what you've seen here is gold broke out. So I think last time we talked about this breakout. And then I think I even said it was likely going to retrace to what I call the scene of the crime, which is the breakout trend line. And look at this, just in the last couple days, gold has done just that. So I've actually added to my gold positions just in the last 24 hours on this premise that this is a very kind of normal retrace before the next move up. And I love kind of explaining it in terms everyone understands. So think about a child, right? A child's at home with their parents. It's kind of, it wants to go out on its own. It wants to go out on its own here. It doesn't do it. Finally, it starts to make more headway, right? It's like, I really need to go out on my own. I'm getting older. It finally goes to college, but what do we know about kids that go to college? I did this. I'm always coming back for Christmas and the holidays, right? So it comes back for Christmas and the holidays, and then it goes out. Eventually, it gets its own place, you know, and it starts living on its own.